Hello and welcome to this special coverage of the Gurgaon Open 2024 powered by Amrutanjan. This Tata Steel PGTI event was held at the Classic Golf and Country Club near Gurugram in Haryana. Here we present to you the highlights of the action-packed 4 days. Aman Raj, Karan Pratap Singh, Sachin Baisoya and Udayan Mane. The prominent foreign names in the field were Sri Lankans N. Thangaraja and K. Prabhakaran and Jamal Hossain and Badal Hossain of Bangladesh. There were also the rookies including PGTI qualifying school winner Matthias Dominguez of Chile, Nepal's Subhas Tamang, Italy's Michele Ortolani and Czechia's Stepan Danik. Mr. Uttam Singh Mandi, the CEO of PGTI, thanked Amrutanjan and Classic Golf and Country Club for their role in launching the Gurgaon Open powered by Amrutanjan.
I'd like to thank Classic Golf Resort for this golf course. I mean, Keshav, thank you very much for playing host, for partnering with us and giving us this fantastic golf course to play on. This is the last event that we have in the first half of the season. We of course will conclude soon after the summer break. But till that point of time, we've seen some fantastic golf, some great winners. The scoring that has been amazing, 18 under winning this week, 13 under finishing second, and there's a whole bunch of guys between 13 and 10. I think there are almost about 9 other players as well. So I mean, that goes to show the level of competition that there is.
The Classic Golf and Country Club is home to one of the finest golf courses in India. The retreat is part of a sprawling 300-acre estate, showcasing South Asia's only 27-hole signature golf course designed by the legendary Jack Nicklaus. It has an 18-hole signature championship course and a 9-hole signature canyon course. Before this event, Sarthak Chibbar had 4 top 10s in PGTI events. His best was tied 3rd, which he achieved twice last year. Having finished tied 10th in the season opener in Kolkata, Sarthak notched up a career best tied 2nd at the Gurgaon Open. The highlight of his performance was an 8 under 64 in the 3rd round. Sarthak got off to an ordinary start in a low-scoring first round. The day's best was 9 under. Sarthak achieved the rare feat of firing 2 eagles in the same round. The first was on the par 4 12th and the second on the par 5 14th. There was another on the 11th. The day's tally of 2 under gave him an aggregate of 3 under. He was tied 18th with 11 others. They were 8 shots behind the lead. The third round belonged to Sarthak. He could do no wrong on this day. Almost everything that he tried clicked. It was a bogey-free round of 8 under 64. Sarthak made 5 birdie conversions from a range of 10 to 15 feet. He also made 3 crucial par saves on the 1st, 7th and 10th. The birdies were evenly distributed. 4 came on the front 9 and 4 on the back 9. Sarthak took good advantage of the par 5 holes and nailed birdies on all 4 of those. Most importantly, he didn't drop a shot. With a 3-day tally of 11 under, he jumped 15 places to move to tied third. The gap between him and the leader had come down to 3 shots. Heading into the final days, Sarthak had a chance. Erasing a deficit of 3 was possible if he played well, and the overnight leader did not. As luck would have it, none of these happened. Sarthak could not find his golden touch of round 3, and the birdies were hard to come by. The 23-year-old managed just 3 of them along with the bogey.
Oh, that was highway robbery.
The day's card of 70 gave Sarthak a tournament tally of 13 under. He was tied second with 2 others. The effort made him richer by Rs 6,99,000 and helped him climb to 18th place on the PGTI Order of Merit. Yashash Chandra has been one of the most determined players this season. Yet to win a title, he is working hard to change that record. After finishing sole third in the last 2 events, Yashash went 1 better at the Gurgaon Open 2024 powered by Amrutanjan. He was one of the 3 players to finish tied second. Yashash was steady on all 4 days. There was no major fluctuation in his performance. Though he did not win the title, he did announce himself as a contender for the rest of the season. Finishing in the top 3 in 3 successive events is a sign of consistency and confidence. Yashash began with a 3 under. He picked up birdies on the 2nd and 7th holes and made a bogey on the 8th. He then carded birdies again on the 11th, 12th and 15th. A bogey on the par 5 17th brought down his day's tally to 3 under. 6 shots off the lead, he was in a pack of 13 players at tied 11th. It was an eventful second round for the player from After 16 holes, he was 3 under and looking to better that. Then came the bogey on the par 5 17th. Desperate to salvage the situation, Yashash birdied the final hole.
See if we can judge this speed on this putt, and he's done it to perfection. That might be a 3 actually.
That's the way to end a round.
Yeah. Lunch will taste so much better.
That should move him to 10 under par.
His third consecutive round of 3 under placed him tied 10th. The gap between him and the leader remained 5 shots. Yashish knew his title chances were not great heading into the final day, but he had a point to prove to himself. In the last 2 events, his game had fallen apart in the final round. He could have won those 2 titles had he managed to keep himself in the mix. Over here, the 29-year-old fared better in the 4th round. Despite dropping a shot on the 5th, he made a birdie eagle dash from the 7th to 9th. After 12 holes, he had a day's tally of 5 under.
Should gather speed now.
It's a good putt.
That's a fantastic putt.
It's a really good birdie by Yashish on number 9.
That gave him a chance to improve his position further. However, there were no more birdies. Yashish bogeyed the 16th instead and finished with a 4 under. The tally of 13 under saw him finish joint second. It was his 7th career top 3 for Yashish. He received Rs 6,99,000 in earnings and as a result moved up to 6th on the order of merit.
This is Steel, and this is an idea. What happens when we join them? Something fantastic. Like Pravesh doors that never age, that save our forests, or customizable Artiphone wardrobes that match your personality and are redefining modern homes. Tomorrow is shaped by imagination and steel.
Tata Steel. We also make tomorrow.
Show me the sunset. You make me happy. We wanna go there. It's beautiful. Let's go.
Magnite. Be celebrated with the big, bold, beautiful Nissan Magnite.
ये रात में जो मजा है, मजा ये कुछ नया नया है। ये मुझको आज क्या हुआ है, ये झूमता ही जा रहा है। हम कहाँ हैं, तुम कहाँ हो, दिल कहाँ पे होश ये।
Bisleri, drink it up.
झूम 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 बाबा, झूम 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 बाबा।
This is Tata Steel, and this is an idea. So what happens when you join them? Something remarkable, like the material of the future. Fiber reinforced polymers that goes beyond steel, that is high on strength and corrosion resistance, and is cost effective. A material that will be used in foot overbridges, the insides of railway compartments, and electric vehicles, as also in infrastructure for smart cities. Tomorrow is shaped by imagination and steel.
Tata Steel. We also make tomorrow.
What a great shot! But he looks tired. And that's a drinks break.
But what's the plus sign for? Amrutanjan Electro Plus. जब लगे थकान वाली प्यास, जरूरी है सेल लेवल हाइड्रेशन. इसके इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स आपके सेल्स को रिहाइड्रेट करें, एनर्जी लौटाएं, थकान वाली प्यास मिटाएं.
जब आपको भी लगे थकान वाली प्यास, अमृतांजन इलेक्ट्रो प्लस. थकान वाली प्यास के लिए.
पुरानी वर्सेस नई कौन सी पेंशन स्कीम सही?
आपका हर सवाल सीधा होता है.
सरकारी नौकरी करे यानी कि देश सेवा करे, उसको पैसे देने की बात आए तो गुणा भाग और अर्थव्यवस्था समझाई जाती है.
पक्ष या विपक्ष, सीधे सवालों के साथ संदीप चौधरी आपको रखे आगे. सीधा सवाल रोज शाम 7 बजे सिर्फ एबीपी न्यूज पर. एबीपी न्यूज आपको रखे आगे.
Kalan Joshi has taken part in all the events this season. His performance graph is getting better. After tied 5th in Chandigarh, the winner at the international level posted another strong finish with a tied 2nd result at the Gurgaon Open 2024, powered by Amrutanjan. It was a decent start by Kalan considering the scores on the opening day. He made a double bogey on the par 4 6th. He also made 5 birdies. His day's tally of 3 under was 6 shots behind the lead. With 12 others, Khalid was tied 11th after the first round. The second round was a dampener for the seasoned pro. There were 3 birdies and 2 bogeys on a largely uneventful day. Approaching the 17th hole, he was 1 under for the day. That's when he made a bogey. Then a birdie on the 18th got him back to 1 under. Khalid was bunched in a group of 4 at tied 11th. The gap between him and the leader had increased to 11 shots. The third round turned out to be better. Khalid made an eagle on the par 5 third. There was a birdie on the 7th. He ended the front 9 at 3 under. Following a birdie on the 14th and a bogey on the 16th, he was back at 3 under. A birdie on the 18th meant he shot 68 for the day. With a total of 8 under, the player from Bengaluru was in 14th place. He was 6 shots behind the leader. Khalid needed a strong finish to better his position. The gap between him and the leader was too wide. But there was a genuine chance of moving up the ladder. That's what Khalid did. After a sedate front 9 of 2 under, the 31-year-old got into his stride. There was a birdie-bogey sequence on the 12th and 13th before he reeled off 3 straight birdies. Even though he made pars on the last 2 holes, the late surge gave him a day's tally of 5 under. Khalid gained enormous ground after a slow start to end up with a tournament total of 13 under and as a result finished tied second. He also took home Rs 6,99,000. That placed him 20th on the order of merit. 7 years is a long time. After winning his second PGTI title in 2017 in Mumbai, it was a long wait for M. Dharma. The seasoned pro kept errors to the minimum and stayed unmoved by the ups and downs around him to seal a third PGTI win. Dharma won by an impressive margin of 5 shots. The Gurgaon Open 2024, powered by Amrutanjan, saw the return of Dharma. A low-profile character, he does not make the headlines that often. The pro from Bengaluru was on song at the Classic Golf and Country Club. He took the lead in the third round and gave his nearest rivals no chance after that. On a great first day of scoring, Dharma made birdies from the first to the fourth. There were no bogeys and he made 2 more birdies on the 12th and 18th. With a tally of 6 under, he was 3 shots behind the lead in tied third. In Dharma's second round, things happened to birdies on the 5th, 7th, 8th and 12th. His good hitting form saw him land the ball within 10 feet consistently. Dharma enjoyed a comfortable 4-shot lead after 12 holes on a day characterized by less wind and calm conditions. Dharma then dropped 2 bogeys on the last 6 holes, but at the same time cashed in with birdies on the 14th and 18th, both par 5s to close out the contest. This was his 3rd PGTI title and the first since 2017. Dharma took some time to soak in the moment. He reckoned his terrific ball striking made the difference.
And ladies and gentlemen, you have your champion, M. Dharma. Look at that, ecstatic. Victory number 3 for M. Dharma.
Yeah, it's he's well deserved of this victory. I told you, this is probably the only people left on the golf course to put water on him. We have some Bangaloreans coming in to drench him. Cullen making sure there's not a
That's what friends
part
are
of
for.
his t-shirt which is not wet. It's a whole bottle of water.
That's what good golf camaraderie is, celebrating.
Muniappa is also congratulating him.
The winner's purse of ₹15 lakh lifted Dharma from 40th to 7th position on the order of merit.
M. Dharma, the scores of 66, 69, 67 and 68 for a total of 18 under 270. He takes away a prize money check worth ₹15 lakh.
Dharma said that even though he missed out after coming close on a few occasions, he didn't lose heart. He stayed positive and stuck to his mantra of working hard.
It's been a long time, 7 years. Lot of struggle, lot of hard work in this. All PGTI staffs, all my friends, Mutham sir and Bisleri and Nishan and Amritan. Thank you for all the sponsors. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my family. Thank you for my family, my wife, everybody.
This is Steel, and this is an idea. What happens when we join them? Something fantastic. Like Pravesh doors that never age, that save our forests, or customizable Artiphone wardrobes that match your personality and are redefining modern homes. Tomorrow is shaped by imagination and steel.
Tata Steel. We also make tomorrow.
Show me the sunset. You make me happy. We wanna go there. It's beautiful. Let's go.
Magnite. Be celebrated with the big, bold, beautiful Nissan Magnite.
ये रात में जो मजा है, मजा ये कुछ नया नया है। ये मुझको आज क्या हुआ है, ये झूमता ही जा रहा है। हम कहाँ हैं, तुम कहाँ हो, दिल कहाँ पे होश ये।
Bisleri, drink it up. This is Tata Steel, and this is an idea. So what happens when you join them? Something remarkable, like the material of the future. Fiber reinforced polymers that goes beyond steel. That is high on strength and corrosion resistance, and is cost effective. A material that will be used in foot overbridges, the insides of railway compartments, and electric vehicles, as also in infrastructure for smart cities. Tomorrow is shaped by imagination and steel.
Tata Steel. We also make tomorrow.
What a great shot! But he looks tired. And that's a drinks break.
But what's the plus sign for? Amrutanjan Electro Plus. जब लगे थकान वाली प्यास, जरूरी है सेल लेवल हाइड्रेशन. इसके इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स आपके सेल्स को रिहाइड्रेट करें, एनर्जी लौटाएं, थकान वाली प्यास मिटाएं.
जब आपको भी लगे थकान वाली प्यास, अमृतांजन इलेक्ट्रो प्लस. थकान वाली प्यास के लिए.
पुरानी वर्सेस नई, कौन सी पेंशन स्कीम सही?
आपका हर सवाल सीधा होता है।
सरकारी नौकरी करे यानी कि देश सेवा करे, उसको पैसे देने की बात आए तो गुणा भाग और अर्थव्यवस्था समझाई जाती है।
पक्ष या विपक्ष, सीधे सवालों के साथ संदीप चौधरी आपको रखे आगे। सीधा सवाल रोज शाम 7 बजे सिर्फ एबीपी न्यूज पर। एबीपी न्यूज आपको रखे आगे।
The Pro-Am events at PGTI tournaments are serious fun. The amateurs feel charged up playing alongside the professionals and try to give it their best. At the same time, they also enjoy the moment. The Pro-Am of the Gurgaon Open 2024 powered by Amrutanjan was no exception. The Pro-Am event was won by Delhi-based professional Ajay Baisoya and his team consisting of amateurs Mr. Devin Singh, Mr. Nadeem Khan and Mr. Ishan Ojha. They posted a score of 51.8. Professional Kshitij Naveed Kaul of Delhi helped his team finish second with a score of 54.1. Mr. Sachin Mehta, Mr. Karthik Mohindra and Mr. Rishi Vadera were the amateurs in this team. The prize for the straightest drive on hole number 7 was won by Mr. Sunil Sahani, who landed it on the line. The prize for the longest drive on hole number 13 was won by Mr. Ravi Shankar. He cleared a distance of 320 yards. Mr. Sujit Nagrath won the closest to the pin contest on hole number 5. His shot landed 18 inches from the hole. Miss Nandita Kumar was the closest to the pin on hole number 17. Her shot landed 4 feet from the hole.